Hi, my name is Skylar, and today we take an in-depth journey through the Ebola virus diseases, its origins, its deadly tactics, and the global effort to defeat it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Ebola remains the most feared pathogen and how science, communities, and the international organization work together to stop it. So stick around and watch till the end. Let's begin by discussing the epidemiology of Ebola, which first emerged in 1976 during simultaneous outbreaks in Zara, Sudan, and Yambuku, now the Democratic Republic of Congo. There are 5 species of Ebola virus that are known, but only the 3, Zaire, Sudan, and Bundibugyo, have caused large human outbreaks. The largest outbreak occurred in West Africa from 2014 to 2016, with over 28,000 cases and more than 11,000 deaths. More recent flare-ups in the DRC and Guinea demonstrate that Ebola is not gone. It is endemic in wildlife reservoirs and can re-emerge when conditions allow. So, what is the science behind this Ebola? Ebola's virulence hinges on its glycoprotein, which facilitates entry into a wide range of human cells, including immune cells and the endothelial cells lining blood vessels. Once inside, the virus hijacks the host machinery to replicate rapidly, overwhelming the immune system. The virus also suppresses interferon, signaling a key antiviral response. Without interferon, infected cells fail to alert neighboring cells, so the infection spreads unchecked. This combination of rapid replication and immune sabotage leads to widespread tissue damage and hemorrhage. After exposure, symptoms emerge in 2 to 21 days. Early signs mimic flu, that is, fever, fatigue, muscle pain, headache, and sore throat. As the virus proliferates, patients develop vomiting, diarrhea, rash, and impaired liver and kidney function. Ebola transmits through direct contact with blood or body fluids of an infected person, and also vomit, feces, sweat, or contaminated objects like needles. Fruit bats are the primary reservoir, while non-human primates and other mammals can act as intermediate hosts. People only become infectious after symptoms appear. Last but not least, let's discuss about treatment and prevention. Actually, no cure exists, but early intensive supportive care with targeted fluid replacement, electrolyte balance, and treatment of secondary infections can improve survival dramatically. Monoclonal antibody therapies such as REGNEB3 and MAB114 have shown promise as a treatment option. On the other hand, the RVSV vaccine approved in 2019 is over 90% effective. It is deployed in ring vaccination strategies around new cases, protecting healthcare workers and close contacts. Beyond the biology, Ebola devastates communities. Fear leads to isolation, disrupts agriculture and markets. It also strains fragile health systems. Survivors often face stigma, sometimes rejecting in reintegration into daily life. Community engagement, working with local leaders, adapting biorights, and transparent risk communication has proven critical to overcoming mistrust and halting outbreaks. By the way, the WHO coordinates international response through surveillance, lab support, and guideline development, while Medicine Sans Frontiers delivers frontline care as government NGOs and research labs collaborate on vaccines treatments and field diagnostics. Investments since 2014 have accelerated vaccine trials and therapeutic approvals. Rapid diagnostics tests now deliver results in under 2 hours, enabling quicker isolation and care. Briefly, let's debunk common myth. It is not true that Ebola transmits through air. The fact is that Ebola only spreads via direct contact with fluids of infected person.
Another key fact is that RVSV vaccine is safe and effective. Do not be lied that survivors remain contagious forever, because once blood tests negative, they are no longer infectious, though viral remnants can persist in immune-privileged sites.
Ebola tests our scientific ingenuity and our ability to unite communities. With continued research, vigilance, and compassion, we can stop future outbreaks. So, stay informed, stay prepared, and share accurate information. If this is the first time you are joining us, welcome to Malcolm Skylar. Inspire, empower, succeed.